Hey guys, Becki-licious here. We like trying new recipes, but today we are doing a recipe that I've made millions of times and everybody loves it. They are the absolute best cupcakes, I've been told, in the entire world. And they're super easy, so I cannot wait to tell you guys and show you how we're gonna make these, okay? All right, so these are called White Chocolate Macadamia Nut Cupcakes, okay? And like I said, I found the recipe in this old recipe book from ages ago. And I tried it out in our restaurant, back when we had a restaurant, and everybody loved them. They just fell in love with them. And I didn't have the heart to tell them that it was so super easy to make. But I'm going to show you guys my secret. So we have just a white cake mix, just a plain white cake mix. Just make sure there's no pudding in the mix. So just run of the mill. And of course, we need to put all of our ingredients in that go with it: the oil, the water, and egg whites, because of course it's a white cake mix. Now, for our secret ingredient, we are using white chocolate Jell-O pudding. This is the shit right here. And it's just a little, small box, nothing crazy. But that's why you don't need a cake mix with pudding in the middle, see? All right, so we're gonna get this all whipped up, and it's time for the next step. All right, so all of the ingredients, all done up in here. So now we are adding our chopped up macadamia nuts. Yum, yum, yum. So I'm going to get this all mixed up, and then it's time to put these puppies into the oven, okay? All right, so these are ready to go in. I've already got my cupcake liners, and I love these fun little ones. I don't know why. I just think they're just the funnest ones. So I'm just going to fill these up and get them all ready to go into. And I want these pretty healthy. I want them to really poof up, so I'm going to fill them up probably more than I normally would, but I don't want to make an exceptionally big old batch of cupcakes. I want to make kind of a smaller batch, so we're going to make them a little bit fluffier. So catch you back here in a few. All right, these white chocolate macadamia cupcakes are ready to go in the oven. And our oven, of course, is preheated, 350 degrees. So these are going to go in here for about 18 to 20 minutes. So I'll catch you back here in a few, okay? All right. These white chocolate macadamia nut cupcakes have been in the oven for just over 20 minutes. Oh my goodness. So now we're going to check them with our little cupcake tester. But they smell done. So, oh yeah, they're done. For sure. All right. So we're going to get these over here on the counter so that these can cool down, because then it'll be time to start the super easy frosting. White chocolate macadamia cupcakes are almost all cooled. Now we're going to get the frosting ready. But before I do that, don't forget to like and subscribe, share with your friends. Click on the link tree for some other fun stuff, okay? All right, so this is just white chocolate chips that I've melted up, okay? And we're just going to take a regular container of vanilla frosting, and we're going to mix this in with that melted white chocolate chips. Told you this was going to be amazing and easy. Doesn't get any easier than this, that's for sure. All right, so we're going to get this all mixed up. I should be able to do it without the mixer. Yeah, I should be able to. So we're going to get this all mixed up, and then it's going to be time to frost these things, okay? I'm going to frost these. This is, like I said, easy. I'm not doing anything fancy. For starters, I'm not a fancy person. When I make my cupcakes, I don't decorate them all fancy. I always make sure there's plenty of frosting on it. That's all you need in a cupcake. And then for most of these, I am not a coconut person, but toasted coconut goes on the top of this. So some of them do get the toasted coconut, and others will not. All right, I'm going to finish getting these all frosting up, and then it'll be time to plate them, okay? There we go. Our white chocolate macadamia cupcakes are done. And like I said, they were super easy to do, and trust me, make them, people are going to rave about them. Don't tell them how easy it was. Make them think you slaved for days, because trust me, they're absolutely amazing cupcakes. So there you go. Another fun adventure in the kitchen. Luckily, this one we knew how it was going to turn out, so it was okay. So I hope you guys had fun. I know I did. I look forward to seeing you next time, okay? Bye.